How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Page of Cups. Alright, so before we get started, subscribe to the channel, it's free, and also hit the notification button so you can get updated on all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. The Page of Cups wears a blue tunic with a floral print and a beret on his head with a long flowing scarf. He stands on the shore with the wavy sea behind him, holding a cup in his right hand. Surprisingly, a fish pops its head out of the cup and looks at the young man. The fish in the sea behind him represent the element of water and all things to do with creativity, intuition, feelings, and emotions. The unexpected appearance of the fish signifies that creative inspiration often comes out of the blue and only when you're open to it. The Page of Cups. All cups denote feelings and emotions, element of water, the zodiac sign of Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. A sensitive, thoughtful, imaginative youth, either male or female, with light brown hair, blue or hazel eyes. There could be a new message, a time for reflection and meditation, or a proposal or a birth. You're beginning to open to and heed messages from the unconscious, or maybe dealing with emotional issues, perhaps from childhood or deeply hurt in a relationship and beginning to heal. You're experiencing a burst of artistic energy and formulating an artistic project. There could also be a romance or proposal of marriage. Keywords: sensitive, moody, thoughtful, dreamer, imaginative, artistic, birth, psychic gifts, news, and a proposal. All right, so here are the Celtic cross positions. All right, as you see them here. Key position number 1 and flag position number 2. Now we have a video. If you look on the top right hand corner of this video screen, you'll see a video called Celtic Cross. Now I suggest you go watch that because that's like a reference guide. It shows you how all these positions plan out and how they map out and what they look like and what they mean. So go watch that first before we carry on. Celtic cross position. Key position number 1, situation. A. You may gather more insight if you examine the issue more closely or consider it from another angle. B. No matter the outcome of the issue, it offers more for growth than what you previously thought. C. New information is likely to come your way regarding the issues, possibly through a dream. Flag position number 2, challenge. A. You have progressed well in your emotional journey to be able to state your feelings with firm confidence. B. Take care that your enthusiasm for a new relationship or project is not naive. C. Your willingness to jump into a new project or experience at this time will contribute to your self-growth and understanding of others. Alright, so question. A. Do you have an emotional focus involving a relationship? B. At what point do you feel you need to make a commitment? Page of Cups in upright position, or in the reverse position, in other words, upside down. The Page of Cups suggests a new idea or opportunity has come to you out of the blue. Your creative energy is flowing. The question is, will you snap up this idea and turn it into something, or let someone else bring it to fruition? It's up to you to spend time exploring the idea if you want to move forward. You have an open and curious mind to all possibilities and will discover new aspects of life and yourself. You need to open up your mind, especially to those of a creative and intuitive nature, and you will be pleasantly surprised. Embrace your inner child and believe that anything is possible. Start a new art class, read books about how to express your feelings, or learn more about developing your psychic ability. Don't be afraid to show your feelings and wear your heart on your sleeve. Trust in your intuition and be open to a multitude of intuitive messages coming your way from nature that will guide you on your path. In trusting your intuition and going with the flow, be ready to receive a surprise when the moment arrives. Alright, so the Page of Cups in the reverse position. In other words, upside down. The reverse Page of Cups suggests that you're keeping your creative inspiration and ideas a secret and are choosing to keep your plans private so you can develop them on your own without the influence of others in case you fail, or maybe you're stalling and holding back and will wonder for the rest of your life what might have happened. Your inner critic may be on overdrive, or others are telling you you're dreaming. Ask yourself, what have I got to lose? So what if it fails? It's better to fail at something than never giving it a try. What if you were to succeed? Again, listen to your intuition to understand if fear is the reason you're not taking that first step. Alright, so that's it for the Page of Cups. Our next video is going to be on the Knight of Cups. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, And once again, subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated on all our future videos. Alright, until our next video on the Knight of Cups, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Good day on you.